Solid information to help you deal with an arthritis diagnosis. Every year, millions of men and women experience the pain and discomfort of arthritis. This condition can make it very hard to function normally and carry out daily tasks. The information in these tips and tricks is sure to offer insight into the nature of this painful and common medical condition. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight causes stress on the joints, especially in the knees and hips. This added stress leads to flare-ups of arthritis. This is in addition to the well-known health dangers of being overweight and the detrimental effects it has on your mood and energy levels. Speak with your doctor about a safe weight loss plan. Arthritis is becoming more and more common. If you notice that you have pain, swelling, or stiffness around your joints, it is important that you see your doctor right away. This could be a sign of arthritis, and if that is the case, you want treatment to begin as soon as possible. Make sure, you also, ask your doctor what kind of arthritis it is. This will be helpful when getting the proper treatment. Take your time with major cleanup tasks if arthritis is a part of your life. Major cleaning tasks, like mopping and changing bed sheets, put a strain on your body. They involve the use, and sometimes overuse, of several different muscles and joints. Take a break when you can, or better yet, ask for help. You don't have to do it all in one day. For those who suffer from osteoarthritis, it is important that you have enough vitamin C in your diet. Medical research has shown that vitamin C reduces pain in osteoarthritis patients and helps prevent it in young people. You can get vitamin C from many fruits, such as oranges, or you can take a supplement. Stretching should be a daily activity to keep your arthritis symptoms under control. You can prevent injuries just by spending 10 minutes a day stretching all of your major muscle groups. These stretches warm up for your muscles and tendons, making them less likely to sustain an injury. Whether you suffer from arthritis or know someone else who does, following the advice in this video will help you to become more well-informed about the condition. These tips are an excellent starting point for anyone who wants to find refuge from the pain and mobility limitations that often accompany arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.